Good day, my dear friends. Today is November 19, 2025, and today is Wednesday within the 33rd week in Ordinary Time, Year C. Today, let me share my reflection focusing in learning to multiply God's blessings from the account of Luke chapter 19, verses 11 to 28. Today, my dear friends, allow me to reflect on the three S that guide what true stewardship is all about. Three S for today: serve, see, serve, and share. First, we are all invited to see the blessings God has entrusted to all of us. Not just the obvious talents, but the quiet gifts of compassion, the patience, the resilience, and the simple ability to love. So often in my life, I overlook this because I am busy comparing myself with others, sad to say. But God has given me exactly what He knows I can carry in my life as a priest. My dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, we are all gifted and have different potentials to use for God's greater glory. Open your eyes. See how blessed you are. And the second S, personally, I am called to serve, to use with His blessings, using them not for my comfort or pride, but for God's mission, and that is to uplift, to encourage, to forgive, and build others. Gifts grow only when placed in the service of love. My dear friends, use your gifts to serve others. And finally, I must share generously, trusting that what I give away in kindness or in time or in compassion doesn't diminish me, but multiplies by God's grace. The more I see, the more I serve, the more I share, the more I discover that stewardship is not about how much I have, but how willing I am to let God use what I have for His greater glory. See, serve, and share. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family, make the Word of God viral so that many will be blessed.